And don't get me started if you have 4C hair. We got to make sure we detangle. We got to make sure we wash, pre-wash, co-wash, de-wash, prepay wash, set it aside wash. Let me do it 3 hours before an advanced wash. Then I got to make sure I detangle. Then I got to make sure I can have a protective style in. I got to have some bohemian box braids. I got to have some bohemian twists. I got to have me some deep wave body babe, I would do grain root, drop a do, hop, pop, papa juice. Braids, I got to have me some, I gotta have me some Beyblade, let it rip, skittle, gittle, 6ix9ine, Nicki Minaj, trolls, music video, colorful hair, pretty hair, long hair, pink, coop, doop. Oh, the phone fell. I gotta get back in it. And then you gotta make sure your hair is so long and that everybody's like, oh my gosh, new hairstyle, new me. But at the same time, when I take this hair out, it's gonna take me a long time to detangle, uncomb it. And then it's like it's like they mixed kids in my school, got the naturally flowy curly hair, but it's like I'm learning to love myself and my own blackness and my own experience with life, that I don't compare myself to them. And there.
Welcome and welcome back to Mrs. G's Living. On this channel, we focus on beauty, fashion, commentary, and much more. So if that's something you're interested in, please consider subscribing and joining our community. So in today's video, we have some quick natural hairstyles. So I wanted to continue on with this series because I know it's getting cold outside and many of us natural girls are looking for hairstyles to wear that may be protective, or just overall hairstyles to wear for the fall and winter. So that's what we're gonna do in this video, so stay tuned. First hairstyle we are going to do, and one thing I love about when styling my hair, I don't really use a lot of products. I don't use like jam, gel, all that other stuff. I just usually have it in a braid out. If you want to make it easier, you can blow your own hair out. So we are going to do, everybody is now back to the 90s hairstyle with the braids in the front and the sew-in in the back, the curly sew-in in the back. If you grew up in the 90s, that was a 90s hairstyle. So we're gonna do something similar. So what I'm gonna do is just part my hair. You don't gotta be precise about it, but if you're one of those meticulous people, then by all means, just part it in the middle. We have already sectioned off the back. Just do a cornrow in the front. And I just like to twist it at the end because it's just easy to unravel. So that's one down. Let's get to the other. So we have that done. And then we're gonna just fluff the back out. Fluff it to the gods. I should have left more hair out in the back, but it is what it is. And then I'm just gonna twist this because I don't like it laying like that. So this is one hairstyle number one. Just a play on the 90s hairstyle, but with your natural hair. Next hairstyle, we're gonna take one of the braids out. I'm gonna fluff it. And it kind of mimics the one side kind of push back. Keep the same one braid, and I'm just going a little accessory, don't hurt nobody. Fluff it to the gods. So this is hairstyle number 2. If you want the barrette to show more, move it more to the front, but I don't. And the last hairstyle. I feel like all these hairstyles are incorporating some type of braids. Take a little hair from each side. Okay. I'm gonna pin that. You know I like my little sideburn hairs. Pin that. Pin this. So we're gonna part down the middle. Duck clip one side. So we can start with, and we're gonna do another horn row. Side down, another side to go. That was the struggle. Next, we're going to take a bobby pin and just pin the back up. Paste. We're going to take up these little claps. And so this is hairstyle number 3. I like this one the most because it's less hair out, and you know, sometimes I'll put a little curl or wet the ringlets to make it more whimsical, but I love this one. So these are the 3 hairstyles that I'm planning on wearing for the fall into the winter with my natural hair. I hope you like these videos. If you have suggestions of videos you want to see, please comment below. I'm Mrs. G from Mrs. G's Living. Peace. We are out. Bye.